Imagine waking up tomorrow and knowing you will never sleep again. No more beds, no more alarms, no more wasted hours in the dark. At first, it sounds like a superpower. 8 extra hours every single day. More work, more money, more time. Humanity becomes unstoppable, or does it? The first 24 hours might feel normal. You'd feel productive, alert, even excited. Cities would stay alive all night. Lights never turn off. Businesses run 24/7s. The world economy explodes with activity, but something strange begins inside your brain. Sleep isn't just rest. It's when your brain cleans itself. Without it, toxic waste starts building up between your brain cells. After a few days, cracks begin to show. Your memory weakens, drivers miss turns, surgeons make tiny mistakes, pilots hesitate for a split second too long. Society doesn't collapse instantly, it slowly malfunctions. Then comes the real danger: hallucinations. Even without feeling tired, your brain still needs sleep cycles. If it never gets them, it begins forcing micro-dreams while you're awake. You could be talking to someone and suddenly see shadows moving, hear voices that aren't there. Imagine millions of people experiencing that at the same time. Trust in reality itself starts breaking. Your immune system also depends on sleep. Without it, your body becomes weaker against viruses and infections. Minor illnesses become serious. Healing slows down. Hospitals overflow not because people are exhausted, but because their bodies can't repair. Emotionally, things get darker. Sleep resets your mood. Without it, stress builds endlessly. Anger increases. Depression rises. Small arguments turn violent. Governments struggle to maintain order. A world that never sleeps becomes a world that never recovers. And here's the twist: evolution gave us sleep for a reason. Every animal on Earth sleeps in some form. It looks inefficient, even dangerous, but it's actually survival maintenance. Remove it, and the most intelligent species on the planet slowly destroys itself from the inside. So maybe sleep isn't wasted time. Maybe those quiet hours in the dark are the only reason civilization survives a light.